Program memory full. Program stored. Thank you.
Thank
Main
you.
program playback. I am Wowie Robotics Model RS Media, completely customizable robot media center. If you don't like the way I'm programmed, please redefine my personality.
You're so cute, yeah. Oh, it's gonna sit. I'm recording it. We kicked that guy. Look, we could step on him.
Ta-da!
Hello. Hello.
Well, if
Jack Jackson away.
Rex, it's me. Sit down. Calm down. Back off. That's more like it. How have you been, Rex? Have you been a good boy? Yes, you have. Yes, you have.
Okay, the batteries are good.
Have you? Have you? Okay, good boy.
It doesn't go that
You must be
good.
hungry. Here you go. Chow down, little buddy. What? Stay back.
Oh my God. Did you ever look up and see if there's Nancy Drew?
Somebody call animal control. Oh boy. That's it. Nice and easy. Okay. Sit. No. Just calm down. All right. Aw, isn't he cute? RoboPet. I knew I... Shake.
I gotta do this one first, though.
Good boy.
It's not working.
Play dead. Bad boy. Run along now. Hey, I know you. Nice suit. Hi-ya!
There's no way this remote
Hey,
can be
good
good.
to see you. So long, and thanks for all the batteries.
That's not too right.
Take that.
It's not looking for anything.
Keep back. Out of my way.
It's not working.
Left arm pick up.
What? I'm trying to give the cat some food, but I need help doing that purple
Darn these
ornament.
plastic
Wait, I have to
hands.
make this go. It's not going. Go.
Left arm pick up.
Come on, Jimmy.
I ordered more Skitterbots. I ordered the red and the green Skitterbot, and I ordered 2 GoBots, a white and a blue, and another Megbug. I think it's green with purple, and it doesn't have a tail on it, and it has 3 eyes. And and there's only 4 more that I won't have though. A yellow track bot and a white track bot. And then there's a clear GoBot and a black GoBot. Then I'll have all the bots, mini desk pets. And then I'll have 14. Right now I'll have 10.
You can see the lights out, but it gets blurry though. And people wouldn't watch it then. I'm turning on the black first since it's always the last one going. Here, let's put it right there. Okay, because none of them can go right there really. Not as much. Don't worry, I'll still get you a Christmas present. Oh, this is the skitter box from this one. There it goes. Okay, they're on. Line them up. Let's see what turns faster. Ready, set. I'm sure the clear one in. And of course it's not going. Oh, there it goes. Look. Okay. Want to go check that out? Sure. Go. Yes. Oh, I'm a crush what you got. Clear one. But they can fit me so yeah, and hey, look, you can play these more again and record them and make them do funny stuff like that. Like that. Yeah. Like I did with that wizard and the whip that stuff. These are the ones that Lucas borrowed. You still can borrow them, you know. Then still not playing with them. It'll be a long time till I play with them again. I need to get that clear one. Ow. It was upside down behind the toilet. Like the hex rays always go back there. Let's see which one's faster. Oh, it's high. Yep. Hey, watch this. They can fit through here. Run away. Yeah. We had only one blue one of these left, Lucas. They had 4 of these left. 4. But one of these. But they had a lot. They had a lot of these. Lucas. Good. These move like the weasels. See? They're going. Watch this. Watch this. Yeah, I'm yellow. Are you putting this one on the YouTube? I'm putting all the time I'll put it on YouTube. Look, it was on the camcorder. Where'd the blue one go? It's right. It's right behind